In this walkthrough, we'll explore the Borealux LED lighting configurator, a tool that lets you design and configure custom lighting setups with ease. Start by navigating to the calculator on the Borealux website and signing in to your account. Once inside, head to My Designs and click New Design. Give your project a name. Here, we're creating a layout called Borealux Boat. Next, open the Add Product panel. Browse through the available categories: recessed, neon LED strip, power supplies, and select the profile that fits your project. The segment appears on the canvas. You can drag to resize it visually or fine-tune the exact length in the right sidebar. From there, adjust the power output and color temperature. Here, we're setting 6 watts per foot and 4,000 Kelvin. Note that the tool will alert you if a value exceeds the maximum run length. Now configure the feed settings. Set the feed length, choose which side the feed exits from, and toggle mounting clips on or off depending on your installation needs. Finally, add a power supply to the canvas. In this case, a 96-watt 12 to 24-volt IP54 unit, and connect it to your segment using the Fed by dropdown. You can also add a second lighting segment to your design and connect it to the same power supply. Simply repeat the Add Product process and use the Fed by dropdown to link it to P1. Once your design is complete, the configurator displays the price for each product directly on the canvas, giving you a clear cost breakdown at a glance. When you're ready to share your design, you have 2 export options. Download the layout as a PNG image or export the full bill of materials as a PDF, ready to send as a submission. Start designing your lighting project today. Visit the Borealux configurator and bring your vision to life in minutes.